میرے ذہن میں اس وقت وی سی صاحب کے لیے یہ شعر آ رہا ہے کہ عزم محکم کی بدولت دل رہا ثابت قدم، عزم محکم کی بدولت دل رہا ثابت قدم، سینکڑوں طوفان اس ساحل سے ٹکراتے رہے۔ تو اس سے پہلے کہ میں وی سی صاحب سے درخواست کروں کہ وہ اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کریں، میں اس بات کا ضرور تذکرہ کروں گی اور یہ پوچھوں گی کہ ان کی نظر میں بیوٹیز آف اے ایم یو کی کیا اہمیت ہے، اور ہماری اس آرگنائزیشن کو مستحکم بنانے کے لیے، اس کو آگے لے جانے کے لیے ہم ان سے کس قسم کے تعاون کی امید رکھ سکتے ہیں۔ اور جیسا کہ ہماری اس کیمپین کی ٹیگ لائن ہے میکنگ اٹ ہیپن، تو میں اپنے وائس چانسلر صاحب سے پوچھتی ہوں کہ ہاؤ ول یو میک اٹ ہیپن؟
Alaikum and good evening to all of you. It may be good morning to many.
Yes.
So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the organizers, especially Mrs. Amtul Suhail and MS Iram Raza for organizing this program on the occasion of the AMU Women's College Founders Day celebrations, making it happen, Women in Leadership. They really worked very hard and contacted everybody for their participation. I wish this program all the success.
Thank you.
And I thank them for inviting me and making me a part of this occasion. I still remember the visit which I had in California in 2017 for the Federation meeting, and the hospitality of the organizers, especially of MS Amtul Suhail and her husband. Now, when we talk about women's education, while remembering and paying tribute to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, we should not forget the contribution of Sheikh Abdullah. Definitely, the Women's College of Aligarh Muslim University has played a stellar role in Muslim women education in India. It has acted as a catalyst for other organizations and other colleges, and it has played a role of a role model. Of course, one college cannot take care of the educational requirements of the Muslim community in India, but definitely our Women's College has played the role of a catalyst. The Chairman Alumni Affairs Committee has already enumerated the various programs, including Kashish, Ali Connect, the Aligarh Academic Enrichment Program, and also he has mentioned about the World Alumni Directory. So I will not repeat those things. The Principal Women's College has also elaborated and given you details about the progress of the Women's College. So I will also not go into that because no point in repeating things. My full support will be there to the beauties of Aligarh of AMU, and our full cooperation. I can assure you of our full cooperation in carrying forward this organization in every way possible. Now, coming to the topic of making it happen, this is women in leadership. I think I am supposed to speak on this. Now, I'll elaborate a few things regarding this. Now, the United Nations statistics on gender equality should worry us all. Because women, they are behind in wages, employment opportunities. Actually, at the pace in which we are working, it will take 150 years to close the gender gap. 18 countries in the world, they have laws which prevent women from working. They have legal framework which prevent women from working. And only 12% of the land is owned by women. Out of 100%, only 12% of land is owned by women. They contribute a lot to farming, especially in India and many other places. Only 19 out of 193 countries, they have heads of state. This is less than 10%. And many of these earlier ones, I think it was a hereditary, especially in India and Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Less than 24% of the women get elected to parliament. In India, the percentage of women in the Lok Sabha is 17%. And in the United States, in the House of Representatives, it is about 28%. I don't know about the US Senate, but I don't think it will be very high there also. The proportion of women in high positions in the administration, judiciary, and in other positions in the corporate world, this is not adequate and not in proportion to their population. Aligarh Muslim University is fortunate that its first chancellor was a woman, Begum Sultan Jahan, the ruler of Bhopal. But I think so this is a great landmark that our first woman the first chancellor was a woman. And I'm sure and I fervently hope that Aligarh Muslim University will also get its first woman vice chancellor in the future. Jamia Millia is already having its first woman vice chancellor, Professor Najma Akhtar. Though she is not the first woman vice chancellor of Central University, there was earlier one in Pondicherry also. So all of us should aspire that in the future, in near future, I should say, Aligarh Muslim University should also have a woman vice chancellor. There are many elements which hold back the women. One is the lack of adequate confidence. The other is the lack of right connections. The third is women, they make unnecessary compromises. They prefer the personal over the professional. These are the ground realities. And I think the fourth one is the biological cycle, which is against them. Because when they are at the peak of their career, the biological, they become mothers, they become wives, and they have got added family responsibilities. I know of my own wife and my own daughter. Both of them, they are professionals. But the biological cycle at that time was against them. Despite all these odds, women are breaking the glass ceiling and rising to the top. We have now witnessed the first woman vice president in the United States. And I'm sure that in the future, the United States will also get the first woman president.
Inshallah.
In the United States, the new Treasury Secretary is a woman. And in India, we have a first finance minister, woman finance minister, in Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. The president of the International Monetary Fund is also a French woman. And I was reading in the newspapers, 28% of the cabinet positions which have been offered by President Joe Biden have been to women. Women definitely, they make better communications and they are more empathy. They are easier to connect and collaborate. And they will definitely benefit every organization to which they belong. What MS Amtul Suhail and Enam Raza pointed out, it is very pertinent. That I think childhood lessons, early exposure to leadership are very important. The contact with positive role models and encouragement by family, teachers, and friends, I think they are of paramount significance. In this context, the beauties of AMU, they can play a very important role. Because I always believe that the role of the alumni, it is multifactorial. Of course, providing funds, as has been provided by the Chicago Alumni Association recently in this COVID pandemic, to the women's college was very important. But apart from providing funds, the alumni, they can also act as role models, because everybody cannot provide funds.
Right.
So you can make contribution in various ways. Providing funds is one, then helping in academic activities the other. The academic enrichment program, which Professor Sufyan Beg has pointed out, is another option. Acting as role models and interacting with the students are the other options, and there are many other options. The alumni, they can also, by playing an important role in society and wherever they are, they can also play a significant role in elevating the profile of the university. Once the profile of the institution is elevated, students, the placement of the students is facilitated. And so many other things happen which benefit the institution and the students as well as the alumni. So definitely Aligarh Muslim University has got a unique alumni network. I will advise all the alumni, including the new members of the Beauties of AMU, to please see the website of the AMU Alumni Association, because that will give you an idea about the various programs which the Alumni Association is running, including the Kashish. Kashish program is on the website since 2 years. So anybody who sees the website, they will know about the entire, because we had constituted a committee and they gave a report, and which is a detailed report, and we have given all the details on the website. Similarly, Aligarh Academic Enrichment Program, the World Alumni Directory, the other programs being organized by the university for the benefit of the alumni and to increase the bonding of the alumni associations. They are on the website. And you can also contact the chairman and the other members of the office bearers of the AMU Alumni Committee to provide you all the details. So I'm sure that the beauties of AMU, this new and nascent organization, in the days to come, it will play an important role in motivating the girl students, not only of the women's college, but of the university. Because women's college is only one section in which the girls study. Now we are having undergraduate co-ed institutions like in the medical college, the law faculty, the education department, physical education department, and the postgraduate students, they are all coming to the departments. So women's college is only, I may say, only 30% of the women's education in Aligarh Muslim University. The rest of the 70% in the other colleges, even at the undergraduate level. As I pointed out, so many faculties we are taking the girls at the undergraduate level, in Unani medicine also. So 70% of the women's education is done not by the women's college, but it is done by other faculties and departments. So these beauties of AMU, they should not only focus on the women's college, they should focus on the entire university and motivate the students of other faculties also, especially the professional faculties like medicine, Unani medicine, law, management, and of course the postgraduate students and research scholars also. So my best wishes to this program and to this new organization, and I'm sure that the deliberations will benefit all of us. Thank you so much.
بہت بہت شکریہ وائس چانسلر صاحب. آپ نے سب سے پہلے تو میں آپ کا شکریہ ادا کروں گی کہ آپ نے اپنا قیمتی وقت نکالا اور ہمارے اس پروگرام میں شامل ہوئے. ہم سمجھ سکتے ہیں کہ آپ کا وقت کتنا قیمتی ہے اور یقیناً آپ نے جو ڈیٹا ہم سے شیئر کیا ہے وہ سبھی کے لیے قابل فکر ہے کہ کیوں ویمن پارٹیسپیشن اتنا کم ہے. آپ نے اس کی وجوہات بھی بیان کی. تو ہماری تھرو دا بیوٹیز آف AMU کے ذریعے یہی کوشش رہے گی کہ ہم یقیناً اس ڈیٹا کو, اس پرسنٹیج کو آگے بڑھانے میں ہیلپ فل ثابت ہوں.